So for the Pinion Go demo, I've decided to go ahead and work later in the sprint. And you'll see again that this is a fresh chat agent session that we've created, so it has to learn that. So I'm going to pull this off the screen. We can see that it's already done a lot of work. We started at 32. We're all the way down here. So I'm going to go and pull that off, run the Pinion Go, and let that work while we also go and review some of the details and the things that have been done during the sprint. So starting that now. And this was a stub at the beginning of the sprint that we did right now with Pinion driving for backlog 0. And so just seeing that that did actually implement that stub now correctly. And go ahead and take a peek at the commit history. So we started off down at the, kind of the 32, 33 mark. So I'm just going to grab some stuff at random and see what it did. And so in this case, these are the application, commits that are being made, nothing that's actually the Pinion engine in the files that it's working with. But we can see that, it's making pretty tight edits on the tasks that it was asked to work on. And it's also, automatically doing testing. Some of that's being driven through the agents file for sure. But, a fair amount of the work is actually just the engine itself, basically directing the agent on how it wants it to work as well. As a human reviewer, this is much more manageable for me because I know that I can expect that these tasks they've actually been reasoned about a little bit through our engine, through our framework and paradigm. And when I'm walking up to this, I know from a testing perspective, as the tests are advancing and so forth, as I'm running through in the environment, I can see the tests that are being created or adjusted, or at least that are continuing to pass, and so on. And so that's extremely helpful to have under a lot more control there. In this case, it's just the README. And so we'll go ahead and take this back. So I'm just going to continue to nudge the agent along, and then we'll go ahead and do a retro at the end.